Okay. So what is it? Set add to add element. We cannot add multiple elements, right? For adding multiple elements, yes. If you want to add multiple elements, update. Okay. Add cannot, we cannot add, but update, if you go to tuple of values, multiple values will be updated, right? Okay. Fine. One second. One a small concept is left out in the set before we go with the dictionaries, right? One second. Let me complete a small concept in this. Set mathematical methods. Apart from whatever methods I said, discussed, add, append, remove, pop, discard, right? But we have got some mathematical operations using set methods. Like two sets are there, A and B. Print A, print B. A dot union B means what is the output you get? A dot union B, 10 to 80, right? Nothing. Union means some combining both the sets, excluding the duplicates, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The duplicates will be ignored. B dot union A, same output. A dot B, A dot union B or B dot union A. Both results the same, right? A dot intersection. See this, all these four statements results the same output. A dot union B, ARB, BRA or B dot union A. See this 10 to 80. But sets doesn't follow the insertion order, right? They follow which element comes first, which element comes second, we cannot say, but 8 elements, right? Union. Now same intersection, what is that? A dot intersection B, common elements. Common elements between A and B are 10, 20. This is 10, 20, 10, 20, A and B, B and A. This four statements results 10, 20, 10, 20. A dot difference B means removing, see here, A dot difference B or A minus B means removing elements of B from set A. Removing elements of B from set A. A minus B. Okay. Okay. Which elements of B you can remove from A? 10, 20. If you remove 10, 20, what is the output? 30, 40, 50. So the output for this is 30, 40, 50. For this also 30, 40, 50. Observe whether you got 30, 40, 50. Yes. 30, 40, 50. For this also 30, 40, 50. Intersection means 10, 20 for all the four. And similarly, B minus A or B dot difference A, 60, 70, 80. Removing the elements of A from B. Removing the elements of A from B. Which elements of A you can remove from B? Output 60, 70, 80, 60, 70, 80, 60, 70, 80. Now symmetric difference. A dot symmetric difference B means common elements are removed. A and B, if I remove the common elements 10, 20, what is the output? 30 to 80. So all these four statements, A cap B, B cap A dot symmetric difference, B dot symmetric difference, they returns 30 to 80. Observe this output, 30 to 80, right? 30 to 80. Understood, everyone? Okay, fine. Write this fast. Run module. We use sets for mathematical operations, union, intersections. For example, two lists are there. Two lists are there, right? List 1 is having 50 elements. List 2 is having 30 elements. Okay. I want to remove the elements of set B from set A. Sorry, list B from list A. Possible? I want the common elements of both the lists. Can I say intersection? Is it possible in the list? No. The method is not. See one thing. Methods are there, right? Methods are different for all that. List has got its own methods. What are the list methods? Append. You won't see append method in set or this. Append method for list, and for list we have got like insert, extend, insert. In the same way, set has got its own methods: add, update, discard, remove, right? String has got its own methods: string, upper, lower, capitalize, title, case fold, okay, format. This way many string has, every object has got its own methods. These are set methods. What is this intersection, union, difference? So you cannot find the common elements of two lists. You need to write code, lot of code for that. Okay. Hmm. Okay, one example of this. Observe this sets. I want to convert list to tuple and tuple to set. Convert list to tuple and tuple to set. Converting list to tuple and tuple to set. Observe this. X is a list. This second line I'm keeping in comment. X is a list. Print x comma len of x is how much? Len of x. How many? 8, right? If I have to convert a list to tuple, x is a list. To convert to tuple, keep tuple before it and store the result in y. Len of I will be what? Len of I will be what? 8 elements, right? As I was saying, to a tuple function or to a set function or a list function, if you are passing a collection, the length of the collection will be the length of the tuple or tuple set, right? But if you are using curly braces, then it will be 1. Okay. Fine. Length will be 8. And this y is there, right? I'm passing y to the set function. Y is what? Tuple. If I'm passing a tuple to a set function, what will be the length? If I'm passing a tuple, 5, right? The number of elements in that collection will be the number of elements in the set. If I'm using curly braces, then it is 1. I'm not using curly braces, I'm using set function, right? So it takes the number of elements in the collection as this. Length will be 5. Here length 8, here length 8, here length 5. Observe this out. Understood. Okay. Observe this output. You got this result, right? A list is there. From that list, convert into tuple. Length will be 8. Tuple converting to set, only the length will be 5 only, right? Okay. Understood? Take that first. Don't take the second one. This line, comment. Now I'll first set I'll keep in this first one I'll keep in comment. The second one I'll just remove this. This one, what is the length? 6. Length is 6, right? Convert to tuple. If I convert to tuple, what will be the length? If I convert this to tuple, what will be the length? 6. Also the length will be 6, right? Okay, this length will be okay. If I convert this tuple to set, what will be the length? Hmm? If I convert the tuple to set, okay, here if the length is 6, tuple also 6 per set. Hmm? Yes, it gives what? Error, because if I converting this tuple or list to set, the elements are going to come into the set, right? But what elements here? Okay, these 5 integers, okay, but list also coming to the set, right? So set is not, doesn't allow list, so it gives error. See this, for this two it's okay, but the last one it gives error. So first list converted to tuple, but converted to set not possible. Error, right? Like this. Keep the first one in comment. Just this is this one. Converting to tuple, converting to this is what related to sets in Python. Next is dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are totally different as compared with other collections, right? Dictionaries mostly used in Django or in these applications. Mostly these dictionaries are mostly preferred. Okay, fine. Now observe. A dictionary is a collection data type which holds group of key value pairs. It holds group of key value. Name Ajay, key value Ajay 25, marks this one, marks of three subsets. Key and value, key and value, and key and value. Properties of a dictionary. Dictionary represented by using curly braces just like set, but in set normal elements, but here key and value representations. Keys and values can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. You can have anything, an integer, float, strings, anything. Keys cannot be duplicated, but values can be. Keys cannot be duplicated, but values can be duplicated. Age 60, weight 60. Okay. Values can be duplicated. Values can have that weight is 60, age is 60. But keys cannot be duplicated. You cannot have two weights or you cannot have two ages. Right? You can have, okay, this values can be set. Insertion order is not preserved. Just like set here also, insertion order. If you are inserting three key value pairs, doesn't mean that first key value pair what you have inserted will come first. It can come in any order, right? Indexing, slicing also not supported here. There is no indexing and slicing here also. Dictionary is a mutable object, except tuple remaining all are mutable. Means changes modification allowed, right? So within a dictionary, we can have both mutable and immutable elements allowed. Both elements allowed. Dictionary can be created by using curly brace or by using dict function. List by using list function, set by using set function, dictionary by using dict function. To access the element of a dictionary, if you pass the key, we will get the value. If you pass the key, you will get the value means X is the dictionary. Key means what? Age. X of age, if I say, what is the value? 25. X of age, it returns 25. First, take these properties one by one before we go with the operations of the dictionary. Okay. To access the element of a dictionary, if you pass the key, you will get the value. Dictionary name of key, you will get the value, right? Okay. Now see this next example. Different operations on dictionaries. For example, creating dictionary elements. X equal to a dictionary, right? Player runs, player runs, player runs. Key value, key value, key value. All the keys are of what type? Homogeneous type. What type? String type. All the values integer type, homogeneous type. Homogeneous values, homogeneous keys. String type, values integer type. Type of X, dict type. Len of X. Len of X. 3. See here, employee. Employee ID 101. Yes. Employee ID 101. Employee name James. Salary this male. So here heterogeneous keys and heterogeneous values. Here key is string. Here key is string. Here key is string. But here key is integer. 1 means male, 0 indicates female. Here, okay. One value is integer, one value is string, one value is float, one value is heterogeneous values, right? Type of EMP, dict type. Len of EMP, 4. First take these two examples that I'll discuss. Now, observe this next example, everyone. Just observe here. Finish writing the first two examples. this next example. See, Z equal to a dictionary. First, everyone write. I'll give time for you to write. Yes. Z equal to EC 90, CSE 120, IT 60, triple E 60, and CSE again 60. This CSE is 120 and CSE 60 repeating twice, right? Duplicate key is not allowed, right? So here CSE 120, CSE. Which key value will be removed? Which one will be removed? Which one exists? CSE 120 or CSE 60? 120. 120 will be there. CSE 60 will be gone. And what is that? Still any other answer? 120 or 60? Which one will be existing? See here, x equal to 10. Next line x equal to 20. Which one will be existing? X equal to 20. The latest defined one will be here also CSE 120, CSE 60. 120 will be gone, CSE 60 will be existing. Observe this output once. CSE, where is it? CSE 60, right? CSE 60. But CSE 120 gone, right? CSE 60 actually should be at the last, right? At the last. It came into the second one. Insertion order not supported. Understood now? If you have got any duplicate keys, the latest defined one will be existing. The previous one will be removed. Based on this observation, now try to answer this next one. A value 20, B value 5, A value 10, B value 15, A value 3. What is the length of X? 2, right? What is the A value in this? 3. What is the B value in this? 15. Latest defined A value 3, B value 15. Observe, you got the same result or not? A value 3, B value 15. A is 3 and B is 15, right? Now, based on the same, what is X is the dictionary of A. What is X of A value? 3. X of B value? 15, right? Okay. If we pass the key, we get the value. X is 100, Y is 200, Y is 400, X is 300. What are the X and Y values? 300 and 400. Ln of P? 2, right? Now write it fast. Here the length will be 2. Here also the length will be 2. Can I apply for loop on a dictionary? Can I apply for loop on a dictionary or not? Okay. Details. Name Ajay, age 25, height 6.2, right? Details. Print details means print this key values. Type of details, dictionary. Length of details, 3. Accessing the values of a dictionary. Details of name, what is the value? Details of age, details of height, 6.2, right? If I pass the key, you will get the value. Right, this optically right. Details equal to name Ajay, age 25, height 6.2. If I apply for loop on a dictionary, details is what? A dictionary. If I apply for loop on it, what is the first p value it takes? Hmm? Will it take key? Will it take value? Or will it take both key value or error? Hmm? No. Value? It won't take key value. What it takes? First P takes name. Next P takes age. Next P takes height. What it takes? Keys. Key names. What is the type of P for the first one? String. Name comma type of P means name type of P. Second one, age type of age, string type. Height, string of it. Okay. Observe this output once. name, age, height. What is that? String type, right? Understood. Puppy. Printing, okay. Printing keys only, right? Keys only. It is printing keys. Executes for 3 times. I want to print Ajay 25 6.2 in 3 lines. Ajay 25 6.2. How can I print only values? What is it? Instead of P, what you will print? Details of P. Details of P. No. In this way you can. P means first it will take name, right? P, okay, it will print what? Details of P. Details of P means first one P takes name, right? Details of name means Ajay. Understanding? Next P takes what? Second time age. Details of age 25. Next P takes what? Height. Details of height. How much? 6.2. It prints only values, right? Printing values using for loop. But I want a key and value both to be printed. Printing both key value pairs. For P in details, P means key. What it takes? Name, colon, details of P. What is that? Ajay. Next P takes age. Next, what is the age value? 25. Next it takes height. Height colon details of height 6.2. Okay. I'm so this right this up here. Here prints only keys. It prints only values. Ajay 25 6.2. Here prints both key colon value. Key colon value. Details of age. What is that output? 25. Type of details of age? Integer type. Another way of creating a dictionary using dict function, just like list function, type tuple function, set function, we have got dict function. A equal to curly brace. What is type of a set or dictionary? Empty it is there. Type of a will be set or dictionary. By default, it will be taken as dictionary. By default, it is taken as dictionary, right? Where it is. Okay. Dictionary. What? Dict class dict. Length is what? 0. So if I view like this, within the curly braces 10, 20, if I won't give any values, it will be dictionary type. If I give 10, 20, type of A will be set type. If I give like key value format, it will be like dictionary type. Creating a dictionary using dict function. So B equal to dict, empty dictionary created. Print B, type of B, len of B. Okay. Type of B will be dict type, len of B will be 0, right? Empty dictionary created. But here D equal to rank of 15, right? Here a dictionary with one element. Dictionary with one element, right? I'm creating one more, dict of D. Dict of D. D is a dictionary, right? Dict of D, I'm assigning to C. C equal to dict of D. Otherwise, this creations of this dictionary, there are different ways of creating dictionaries. It's little different as compared with other. We'll discuss this in the next session. Dictionaries, how to create dictionaries, and the different dictionary is also mutable, right? Can I add a new key value pair to a dictionary? Yes. Can I remove a key value pair from a dictionary? Yes. We can add, we can remove. If I want to modify a particular key value, yes, that also possible. You can modify, you can add, you can remove elements from a dictionary. Dictionary also has got like dictionary functions are there, dictionary methods are there, dictionary addresses, nested dictionaries, and this lot of discussion on this dictionary also. Just we are discussing the introduction to dictionaries and sets, right? The next class, that is you will be having the class on Monday. Again we will be discussing on this dictionaries. Monday and Tuesday also will be discussing on dictionaries. Multiple exams, right? I'm stopping here. We'll continue on Monday. Okay. Try to execute all those things, whatever we discussed, practically and check. That sets, tuples, lists before this.